So a little sample, we're gonna create a PowerPoint slide deck that we populate with some additional WebFOCUS content and reports. So let's quickly start with it. So there's my PowerPoint. So it's just a standard PowerPoint document. Important thing is I got a page in here, a cover page, I got a blank page in here, but more important in that document actually is if you go to your slide master, and there's my slide master. There is one slide with the IB logo, and there's one with the TIBCO logo, and all those slides have names. So this one is the EB logo slide. This one is the TIBCO logo slide. So let's save that one. So close the master view and just simply save that one. So I'm going to file, save as. Let's put it on my desktop. So let's go on the desktop. That's my master 2022. Save that one on my desktop. So got my file, master 2022, close that one. So let's go to Application Studio. There we are. There's my folders. So let me actually in here now build a little report. So to be able to work with the document, we have to put it on the server. So looking at the document. So I got it on my desktop. There's my master file. So to be able to work with the file, you have to put it onto your reporting server. So go to my reporting server. There's my application directories. There's my base apps. So I can actually new upload. So uploaded my master file to the server. So in here, I got my master 2022. So now we can start to build our content. So I'll go back to App Studio. So in my personal content folder in here, so we can now create a document. So it's going to be the same thing if you want to do PDF document. If you want to do an Excel document, so I'm going to put PPTX. I'm going to set it to be widescreen to get a widescreen PowerPoint slide, 16:9. Keep that one. So, okay. Now in here, we can assign a template name. If you click here, you see I uploaded that master 2022 before. So that's what I did, dragging and dropping it onto the personal content folder. So I can select it from here. Doing that, you can see in here, I can select the slide master, which is the main master document. So let me open it up very quickly. So that's if you go to the slide master, that's what we have in here. So that's that master layout kind of thing in here. You can, of course, rename it. See, that's what we had in here. But I don't want that master. I want the sub one. So I want one level deeper. So let's go back in here. So we're going to take the slide layout. We're going to take IB logo for the first one. So of course, now I can create some content in here. So create a very basic new report in here. Not going to do anything very specific. So we're going to go for my getting started folder. pick some very basic data in here. So just drag and drop something on here. So product category and revenue. No, I don't want to have it as a count. I want to have it as a sort field. So keep that one. So first page. So I'm going to add a new page after. So that page in here is actually nothing else than the second version. So we're gonna enter another report in here. So let's gonna create a new report in here. So we're gonna go for the same data. So we're gonna go for getting started, take the data. Now we're gonna take geography, country, state, and quantity sold. Keep that one as my second report. Of course, I can move them around on my screen. So if I don't, so I might want to reserve enough space for it. So I got that one. So I got that one. Actually, of course, I can add a new page before. So got multiple elements. So I got my second page. So there's a second page I can change. Of course, I don't have to have content in there, so I can add some text. Can format it the way I want to. So actually, remember our first page here. We need a slide master. So I want not to have the same master for all. So if I define it under compound, it's using that EB logo for all pages. So that's my default. But actually, I want that first page here. That one, I want to use the IB logo. The second one, the second page in here, I want to use the title page. And the third one in here, I want to use the TIPCO logo. So having that done, we can run our report. It's not highly sophisticated, but it's gonna run. There's my PowerPoint created. Yeah, I forgot to close my slide deck before, but as you see, I got the first one with the IB logo. I've got this second one in here using the slide deck master file, and I got the third one in here. You can see, hey, there's a very long table, and it's automatically creating multiple pages for the rest of the document. So we might want to improve that one. So currently we have a slight overflow in here. So we might want to change that one. So let's go back to our report. So that page, we have to set it slightly smaller. So put it like that, position it the way we want to, run it again. And we get our results again. So we get a new PowerPoint that's going to open up. Again, we need to improve formatting slightly. So we might want to move things around. So that text is way too high on that screen. So let's work with that one. By the way, let's close that one as well. So we might want to change that one to be down here. We might want to change the text here in that element here, not to be 10, but to be something like slightly bigger. So go for that one, continue. Okay, I can hear now it's set to fixed. I want it to be flowing. So change that overflow kind of capability, run it again. Open it up. We got my second page. Again, we have to move things around to be at the right location. But there we go. We got everything in our slide deck.